Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. CBay jumped as crazy already and we are in pre-opening and I'm looking for the reversal. Should be in 505 in my eyes. I want to see that it's not running down, because if it does I will let it go, but if it's continuing I want to join. Now I'm just adding a few lines showing the resistance and support. You can see that the 510 is basically a good place to be, but right now it's kinda continuing crashing and I don't want to join, so I'll let it run a bit. And I'm actually just looking at it. I'm trying to see if I can join and where exactly. Right now I don't see a point that I can join the stock. Over 4.5 I think could be a place to go. And this basically the line of 420 will be my stop if I can enter. So I'm waiting. It's building up, which is a good sign. Now, I'm not planning to join anywhere below the 4.5. Now if I could enter, I will try to push it to 5. So it's 30 cents risk to half a buck profit. Not the best ratio, but reasonable. Still playing on the resistance, basically the line that you're seeing, the 4.3.1. Now the 4.31 is not completely accurate. It can be a few cents up, a few cents down, just to give me a reference of what should have been the resistance. You can see that the 5 should be a mark, but it's 501. But just give me a reference of where we're standing. If it's really going to break the 4.2, I'm going to let the stock do whatever it wants without me. It's testing. Just cancel the order. It might be a false breakdown, which is a good sign. And if it's continued that way, I'll try to join again over the 4.5. My biggest problem is that if it's not going to run soon, it's going to reach 9:30. In that case, it might be a little problematic for me. Putting my stop 420, 19. Let's see what it will do. It's building up, which is nice. still testing the resistance, the support line on the 430. Come on, move already. Now you can see that the volume is basically started at 8. There's nothing before that. And we're already on 2.8 million shares exchange hands, so it's a good volume. It is 27% up. It was like 80, I think, in the top, or 90. And I like the candle that just emerged here. $48, $46. It's playing just about to reach 45, 44, 45. Let's change it to 4.5, and I'm in. Okay, so I want my partial to be 505. Let's see if I can get it or not. We zoom in just a bit. That's a nice foam, just a nice foam. That's it. Nothing else I can say. There's the volume. Still undecided. Didn't decide if it's a false breakout or not. We try to refresh. Okay. 453. It's nice. Come on, give me more. 458. Starting talking now. 660. 59. 60, 61. Feel like in an auction. Actually, I'm not asking too much to get partial 1. 505, considering that it was on 570-ish, it's not too much. So I think it's possible. I just hope that I can reach it before the 930, because after the 930 I'm not sure what will happen. It's either going to jump as hell or it's going to crash as hell. Both cases, it's going to be fast and furious in this case. 400k exchange hands, still counting. Okay, 10 more minutes to the opening bell. I need 2 big candles. Come on, 2. 32% up. C465. Come on, you can do it. I'm about to move my stop to be on the entrance. It's a few cents below. If it's breaking the 470, that would be my mark to move. And this is a movement. I can't really move my stop if it's going to test me right away, especially after that build up. Come on, let's go. 20 seconds for this candle, and we are done. Last candle before the opening. Can I get my partial? Can't I? I don't like to be with full position when the market opens. It can be amazing. It's going to jump to your direction and you're going to make a lot of money. Or it could crash completely, which in this case is going to be a bummer. Or it can do the next bad thing, which is touching you and then go to your direction. But I'm a strong believer in stops. So if it's touching me and go, it is what it is, right? I'm not going to let it run me out and take my money away. In this case, it's the entrance, so yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to want to take it on the 460 to be inside the money. But I need this candle to do something good. And that's not good. So I can be on a few cents when the market opens. It's too short for a stop. One minute away basically from the entrance, from starting bell. 57. Seconds. Don't like it. So my stop right now is on the 450, 449, and I don't see how can I move my stop. Okay, so we started, and you can see that the graph is basically stuck and doesn't move. You can see the time and sell, which is 464, 462, 57, 62, 63. I don't like it. Come on. 70. I need to see a bump up. Huge one. 54, 53. That's a bad sign. 54 and I'm out. 40, 35. You can see that it's crashing. Unbelievable. 40. So it's good that I left. It doesn't seem like it's going to in my direction. I was too close to the opening bell. I did finish with $15 loss, which is acceptable. It did eat everything and then reach my partial one, but after that it's crashed. So altogether I'm good with the trade. It's a bummer that I reached the opening bell with it, but that's what it is. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Join me by comment and subscribe, and have a good one.